Summer is right around the corner, and we're going to take a little trip around the world in what I'm calling an Everyday Sommelier Summer Series. Our first stop is Italy. Let's go! Vino Bianco, white wine, and one of the most popular from Italy is Pinot Grigio. The French style is called Pinot Gris, and here's a fun fact for you. Grigio and Gris mean gray, and the grape's name comes from its grayish-blue color, which is a mutation of Pinot Noir. Now, if you're on a vacation, you're eating a lot of seafood, like sea bass, shrimp, or sushi, this is a terrific wine that's going to pair really well with those dishes. It also goes great with light summer salads, olives, and creamy cheeses like goat or brie. This is a lovely Pinot Grigio from northern Italy, Verona Fini. It has notes of honeydew and apples with a crisp, lingering mouthfeel. Remember, a great bottle of wine can be easy to find, and you can find this little gem at Kroger or your local grocery store for around $14. This wine will get your sommelier summer adventure started off right. And as the Italians say, salute!